How do I search a list that is in a nested list of list, without loop in Python? I am perfectly aware of that. This will return true. But what I want to do here is this. I want the return to be true, but this returns false. I can do this. But I'm wondering if there is any better or efficient way of doing it.
You can use chain from iterTools to merge the list and then search in the returned list.
A recursive solution that would work for arbitrary, max recursion depth aside, deep nesting. Also works if any elements of the outermost list are not iterables themselves.
I don't know how to solve this completely without a loop. But in Python you should never write for I in rangeLen sample. So the answer to your question, yes, there is a better and faster way you could loop your list for I in sample. The way Python handles the loops is really fast and works also very well with a lot of entreaty, more than 50.000. You can flatten your sample list and then search in that flattened list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.